Okay, now we're in the galley area of the ship. So we have laundry, very essential especially for the people living on the boat permanently. There's the general bathroom. Okay, and this is the main galley. So we eat 3 square meals a day here. And there's a really great kitchen with a fantastic cook. And our refrigerator that comes with all kinds of goodies. You've got to see this. This is great. Check out all ice cream. Amazing. And we've got lots and lots of drinks and coffee all the time. Coffee, coffee, coffee. And then we move this way. This door goes down to the bunks. And then we have a little lounge here. And lots of little rooms off to the side where there's all the machinery for the boat. So there's our really nice TV and surround sound and everything. And then if we move this way, there's more machinery. Don't know what any of that does. I think it's electronic equipment for the boat. And there's a freezer here. We keep some of our samples. And very high-tech machinery. For the boat, not for us. There is a data lab, but it's not for us. I think it's for some of the people on the boat that live here, and then here is the lab again.